Hi guys, it's Ms. Humphrey here with a math lesson. Today we are moving on to multiplying fractions. So I'm going to first show you it by using a model. A model just means a picture. And then we will work through the problems without using the model. You're welcome to do it either way that you would like. This question is asking us to multiply 4 times 3/5. 4 times 3/5. So the image that they have drawn is they drew 3/5 4 times. So here's 3/5, here's 3/5, here's 3/5, here's 3/5. So what this is looking like is 1 times 3/5, 2 times 3/5, 3 times 3/5, and finally 4 times 3/5. So if I count up all of the fifths that I have, that would be the answer to 4 times 3/5 because I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3/5. So I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops. So that means my answer is 12/5. Now, I do want to point out that you don't need to draw the picture every time if you don't want to. If you look up in this top corner, I'm going to kind of zoom in. Remember, we were doing 4, which is a whole number. Ooh, let me get my smaller pen. 4, which is a whole number, times 3/5. And something I want you to start to realize is that the number 4 is actually 4 over 1. I know that seems crazy, but the whole number 4, if I wrote it as a fraction, it would be 4 over 1. All of that to say, we do what we have already learned to do, which is multiply the top numbers. That gives me 12, and I keep my denominator the same. So without even needing to understand that 4 is 4 over 1, if I'm keeping my denominator the same, it's going to be 5. So the answer is 12 over 5, or 12/5. Let's do that over here. And you're going to see me continue to write 6 over 1, because truly what we're doing, let me show you. Instead of writing 6, I'm going to write it as 6 over 1. They mean the same exact thing. Then I'm going to multiply it by 2 over 3. And the reason it's important is because you're actually multiplying straight across. So what is 6 times 2? 12. And what is 1 times 3? 3. So 6 times 2/3 is 12/3. I'll draw a picture just to give you an idea. If I have 6 sections, which is what we're multiplying by, and I divide them in 2/3, because that's our groups are of 3, our whole is 6, and I color in 2 of each because it's 2/3, I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 thirds. All right, the next problem is 2 times 9/10. So again, I'm going to write 2 over 1 times 9 over 10. This is the last one I'm going to do, and I want you to do the next one. 2 times 9 is 18. And 1 times 10 is 10. So my answer, even though it's improper, is 18 over 10. Lastly, I want you to try this one on your own. I will set it up for you as 5 over 1 times 3 over 4. Pause the video and go ahead and try this. I hope that you did pause and you're just coming back to check your work. 5 times 3 is 15, and 1 times 4 is 4. So my answer is 15 over 4. I'm going to post a Google form for you to try a few more of these examples. I will also come up with a little visual as a hint for you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.